Hey everybody, welcome back. Excuse me, I got a bit of a cold today. Sorry about it. So you might hear my voice might be a bit croaky. So before we start, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so first of all, we're going to import the password input here. That's the first module. And we're going to import the time module as well. We're going to set the username. Whoops. The username. I've got to keep looking twice at some of these keys on here because the the letters have worn off some of them. That's why I keep making little typos like this. This is going to be Dave. Okay, that's the username is Dave. And the password is going to equal something very simple like 123 QWE. That's even easier. Right, so we're going to print something off for the user. So when they log in, they will see this. Okay, it's going to be something like that. Print and print enter user and password. Enter user and password. There, we'll just extend this a little bit further so it matches up. Okay, right. Okay. And that's going to be the same there. Okay, now we're going to go on to the username. So we're going to create a function called user name entry. That's quite explanatory, that is. I think anybody would know what that's all about. So user name is equal to input. Okay, simply ask them for enter user name. Okay, I'm going to use a while statement here. So while user name is not equal to Dave, print, let's have a look, wrong user name. Okay, so that's the message they get if they enter the wrong username. And then we'll just give them the prompt again. Username is equal to input, enter user again. Okay, there we go. Or else the catch-all statement here, else we go on to the password entry. So this is a function I'm going to create in a second or two. So if they get the username right, they're allowed to go on to the password entry. Now we're going to create the password entry. So that's going to be define password entry. So this is going to be the password entry here. So we're going to define this. So we're going to start off. Let's have a look down here. And oh, sorry about this. Print user name, okay, recognize, username recognized. Okay, so we're going to use this for password, equal to password input dot password input, and the prompt is going to be equal to enter password. Okay, and then we're going to use a mask to mask the password entry, which is going to be asterisks. Okay, so if the password is equal to the password, which we set for it before above, we're going to do something. So we're simply going to print access granted. And we're going to give it a little bit of a pause using the time module, sleep, pause of 1.5 seconds. There we go. Before we go on to the next action, which is going to be message. Okay, this is another function I'm going to create in a minute. So we've got the message there, or else, the catch-all that we use, else we're going to print to the user that the password that they entered was incorrect. So password incorrect. There we go. And then we're simply just going to quit the program. Okay, now we're coming on to the last part here, which is creating the message here. So if the user has typed in the username correctly, they've typed in the password correctly, they will be transferred to this function here, which is the message, and it's going to say, we're going to print here onto a new line, simply, you have successfully logged into the message function. Okay, right, all we have to do now is call the program username entry. So user name entry. There we go. Username entry. We just got to save it as well, and hopefully we won't have any bugs, but if we do, we'll just straighten them out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to run this from the command line. Okay, so let's have a look where the file is first of all. It's in my Python folder. Yes, I'm going to change to documents. Okay, cd documents. Okay, cd Python. What's the folder it's in? Okay, what's the folder called? It's called, I just named it d.py. Okay, so Python. It's going to be d.py. Okay, so there we go. First of all, enter a username. So what's the username? Is it Dave? Yeah, Dave. So type in Dave. Okay, username recognize, enter the password, which is going to be 123QWE, 123QWE. You can see how the password has been masked with asterisks. Okay, access granted, and you have successfully logged into the message function. There you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that, and remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.